Hi, welcome to Mix and Mingle. I'm Scareless, and today I'll be showing you how to make a witch's brew. Witch's brew is a simple cocktail to make, and the secret to it lies in the ice you'll be making. To make the ice, you'll need 2 cups of apricot nectar, half a cup of fresh lemon juice, half a cup of fresh lime juice, half a cup of fresh orange juice, sparkling wine, and some citrus zest. In your mixing cup, pour your apricot nectar, lime, lemon, and orange juices and give the mix a good stir. I'm using a colander to catch any seeds I may have missed. When you're finished stirring, you'll pour your mix into your ice cube tray. I'm using one with fish-shaped cubes because I feel like it's more witchy. Once they're poured in, you'll freeze your cubes. After your cubes are frozen, you'll add them into the cup first, followed by your citrus zest. I'm using orange slices for my drink, and then you'll pour in your sparkling wine. And that's the witch's brew. Yeah, that's pretty good.